From scrap to refined steel, the complete journey of modern steel manufacturing. Engineering excellence delivered by URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Hello and welcome to URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Steel is the backbone of modern civilization. Every skyscraper, automobile, railway, power plant, refinery, ship, bridge, wind turbine, and industrial machine depends on high quality steel manufactured through advanced metallurgical processes. But have you ever wondered how ordinary steel scrap is transformed into premium engineering steel that meets stringent international quality standards? In today's video, we will take you through the complete journey of steel manufacturing from scrap charging to refined alloy steel production and explain how URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited, together with its worldwide team of engineering associates, consultants, delivers complete turnkey solutions for steel plants, including engineering, project management, equipment installation, commissioning, modernization, process optimization, inspection, testing, quality assurance, technical consulting, and operational support. Whether you are planning a new steel plant, expanding production capacity, upgrading existing facilities, or improving operational efficiency, URGS International is your trusted global engineering partner. Let us begin. The importance of modern steel manufacturing. Steel manufacturing is one of the world's most sophisticated industrial processes. Today's steel plants must consistently produce materials with precise chemical composition, superior cleanliness, higher mechanical strength, excellent toughness, low inclusion content, uniform microstructure, full traceability, compliance with ASTM, ASME, EN, DIN, SAE, GIS, and ISO standards. Achieving these objectives require advanced equipment, skilled engineering, optimized process control, and world-class project execution. This is where URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited adds value, supporting steel manufacturers across the globe with engineering expertise from concept to commissioning. Step 1. Scrap yard and raw material preparation. The journey begins in the scrap yard. High quality steel production starts with careful selection of raw materials including steel scrap, direct reduced iron (DRI), pig iron, ferroalloys, lime, dolomite, carbon additives. Proper segregation and preparation ensure consistent chemistry, reduce impurities, and improve furnace productivity. URGS International supports clients in designing efficient raw material handling systems that maximize productivity and minimize material losses. Step 2. Electric arc furnace (EAF). The electric arc furnace is the heart of modern steel making. Using high power electric arcs, the furnace melts steel scrap at temperatures exceeding 1600 degrees Celsius. The EAF process offers high productivity, energy efficiency, flexible production, reduced environmental impact, capability to produce a wide range of steel grades. Advanced automation ensures precise control of melting, oxygen injection, slag chemistry, and temperature. URGS International provides engineering support for EAF installation, alignment, commissioning, process optimization, and operational performance improvement. Now step 3. Ladle refining furnace (LRF). After primary melting, molten steel is transformed to the ladle refining furnace. This stage is critical for producing premier quality engineering steels. The LRF enables precise alloy additions, temperature adjustment, desulfurization, inclusion modification, chemical composition control. The result is cleaner steel with enhanced mechanical properties and improved consistency. URGS International assists clients in installing, commissioning, optimizing LRF systems to achieve world-class metallurgical performance. Step 4. Vacuum degassing (VD). High performance steels require exceptionally low levels of dissolved gases such as hydrogen, nitrogen, and oxygen. Vacuum degassing removes these unwanted gases under controlled vacuum conditions. Benefits include reduced hydrogen-induced cracking, improved toughness, enhanced fatigue strength, superior cleanliness, better machinability. Vacuum-treated steels are widely used in automotive, aerospace, wind energy, bearing manufacturing, heavy engineering, oil and gas. URGS International supports the installation, commissioning, and optimization of vacuum degassing systems for critical steel applications. Now step 5, continuous casting machine CCM with EMS and AMLC. The refined molten steel is then solidified into billets or blooms using continuous casting. Modern CCM technology equipped with electromagnetic steering EMS, automatic mold level control AMLC ensures uniform solidification, reduced segregation, improved internal quality, better surface finish, higher productivity. Typical products include billets, blooms, beam blanks. These products serve as feedstock for rolling mills and forging operations. URGS International provides complete engineering support for CCM installation, automation, integration, commissioning, and performance enhancement. Step 6, continuous high speed automated rolling mill. The cast plates are reheated and processed through high speed rolling mills to produce finished engineering steel products. Products include round bars, bright bars, round corner square bars, wire rods, structural sections. Advanced rolling technology delivers accurate dimensions, excellent surface finish, improved grain structure, enhanced mechanical properties. URGS International works with clients worldwide on rolling mill installation, modernization, alignment, commissioning, and productivity improvement. Step 7, heat treatment. Heat treatment enhances the final properties of engineering steels. Modern annealing furnaces produce annealed bars, spheroized annealed bars, normalized products, stress-rated components. Heat treatment improves machinability, toughness, hardness, dimensional stability, fatigue performance. URGS International provides engineering expertise for furnace installation, temperature control systems, commissioning, and process optimization. Step 8, finishing operations. To achieve superior dimensional accuracy and surface quality, steel bars undergo precision finishing. Facilities include peeling machines, centerless grinding machines, cold drawing machines, straightening systems, cutting and inspection lines. These processes ensure tight dimensional tolerances, excellent surface finish, improved concentricity, enhanced machinability, customer specific requirements. URGS International complete steel plant engineering solutions. Beyond supplying engineering materials, URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited delivers complete engineering and project execution services for steel plants worldwide. Our capabilities include steel plant engineering and technical consulting, greenfield and brownfield project development, equipment installation and mechanical erection, electrical and instrumentation installation, commissioning and startup support, process optimization and productivity improvement, rolling mill modernization, furnace upgrades, metallurgical process consulting, third-party inspection and quality assurance, NDT testing and certification, plant audits and operational excellence. With our experienced team of associates across the globe, we support steel manufacturers at every stage, from feasibility studies and engineering design to successful commissioning and long-term operational excellence. At last, closing summary. The journey from scrap to refined engineering steel is a remarkable combination of metallurgy, advanced technology, precision engineering, and operational excellence. At URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited, we are proud to partner with steel producers worldwide, delivering comprehensive engineering solutions that improve efficiency, product quality, and long-term plant performance. Whether you are planning a new steel plant, upgrading existing facilities, or seeking expert support for installation, commissioning, modernization, or technical consulting, URGS International is ready to help. Our email ID is info@urgseng.com. Our mobile number is +91 73 59 45 8455. Please contact us through WhatsApp. We are available 24/7. If you found this video informative, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more insights on steel manufacturing, metallurgy, engineering solutions, inspection, certification and industrial technologies. URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited, engineering steel plants, delivering industrial excellence worldwide. Thank you.